In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Card.so to add a splash of color to your website text. This is a fantastic way to make certain words or phrases stand out, grabbing your visitor's attention right off the bat. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident in using this feature for any text elements on your site. Let's dive right in. We'll start by heading over to the Card dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the specific page or project you want to edit. Now, let's talk about how you can edit the text. To begin, simply click on the text you want to modify. This action will open up the editing panel, giving you access to various text formatting options. It's straightforward, and you'll see the existing content you can work with. Next, consider where you'd like to place the colored word or phrase. If you have a specific word in mind, think about whether it's already in your text or if you'll be adding it afresh. In case you want to change the color of an existing word, click it to highlight. If you're aiming to add a new colored word, position your cursor where you want that new word to appear. Deleting and then retyping might also help if you're replacing words. Once you have the word ready that you want to change, it's time to add the color code. This is where Card really shines with its simple yet robust customization options. Now, type in a specific code that changes the word's color. The format is quite simple. Just write out the word within square brackets, immediately following it with a colon and the name of the color you wish it to be. For example, let's say you want the word welcome to be red. Inside your text input, you'll type open bracket, welcome, close bracket, colon, red. This simple line of code will apply the color you desire to your text. It's important you ensure there are no typos, especially in the name of the color, as this can affect the outcome of the text style. Common colors like red, green, and blue usually work without a hitch, but don't hesitate to experiment with more specific color names if you have a particular shade in mind. One of the best parts about using Card is the immediate visual feedback. After you type the color code and update the changes, the color should appear instantly. Make sure to save your progress regularly. This ensures that all your tweaks and adjustments are kept safe and applied as expected. And that's how you add a bit of color to text on Card, helping you emphasize key parts of your message to make it truly pop. Thanks for following along, and happy editing.